After video on superposition, here is my video number 4, quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is one of the most mysterious and fascinating concepts in quantum physics. It is so strong that even Albert Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Let's break it down in detail step by step in simple but in intelligent terms. What is quantum entanglement? Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more quantum particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of others, no matter how far they are in space. In short, if a particle A is entangled with particle B, measuring A instantly tells everything about particle B, even if B is another side of the galaxy. How does it work? Quantum states. In quantum world, particles like electron or proton don't have definite properties until you measure them. They exist in superposition, a mix of all possible states. Entanglement creation. When two particles interact in certain ways, like being created together in a process that conserves energy and spin, they become entangled. For example, a photon decays into two new photons. Their polarization, a property like spin or orientation, are now correlated. Why? Because during the creation process, conservation law, like conservation of angular momentum, force the particle into opposite but in linked state. That means if one particle is measured to be spin up, the other must be spinning down and vice versa. Even before measurement, it's like they agree on the relationship at moment of creation. Measurement changes everything. When you measure one of the entangled particles, it randomly collapsed into one definite state. But here's the kicker. The other particle instantly collapses into corresponding state even if it's light years away. Why? Because quantum theory says that two particles are not individual objects with a separate states. They form a single unified quantum system. Measuring one is like unfolding one part of the paper that reveals the shape of the rest. It is not communication. It's revealing a shared property that was undefined but interconnected all along. Is information traveling faster than light? Surprisingly, no. Entanglement does not allow you to send usable information faster than light. You can only see the correlation after both parties compare result via classical communication, which still travel with the speed of light or slower. This protects Einstein theory of relativity. Although it looks like one particle is instantly influencing the other, no information is actually being transmitted that can be controlled or used for messaging. It's a statical correlation revealed only after both sides compare notes. This prevents faster than light communication and ensures cause effect relations remain intact in the universe. Why is it so important? Quantum teleportation. Entanglement allows teleportation of quantum state, not physical matters. Like by using entanglement, scientists can transmit the exact state of particle like its spin or polarization to another particle far away, effectively recreating it elsewhere. The original state is destroyed in the process, ensuring no cloning. This is useful in quantum network and quantum computing, especially when transferring delicate quantum data. Quantum cryptography. Entangled particle can detect eavesdropping. If someone tries to intercept the message, the quantum state changes, alerting the sender and receiver. If a hacker tries to measure the quantum state of a particle being transmitted, that very measurement disturbs the system, making it clear that communication has been compromised. This leads to the unbreakable encryption, which is the foundation for quantum safe communication systems for the future. Quantum computing. Qubits can be entangled to process massive amount of data simultaneously. In classical computer, bits are either 0 or 1, but in quantum computer, entangled qubits can exist in multiple states at once and influence each other. This enables parallel computation, allowing quantum computers to solve certain problems, like factoring large numbers or stimulating molecules exponentially faster than the classical systems. Some famous experiments that proved it. Einstein-Podolsky-Rosen paradox. Einstein thought entanglement was proof that quantum theory was incomplete. Bell's theorem. John Bell proposed an experiment to test if hidden variable could explain entanglement. Results showed quantum mechanics was right. Entangled particles do not obey the classical rules. Aspect experiment. French physicist Alain Aspect performed a real experiment proving entangled particles are indeed correlated, and no local hidden variable explain the effect. Modern applications and future impact. Quantum Internet. Using entanglement to create a global, ultra secure communication network. Quantum satellite. Like China's Messier satellite, first to achieve entanglement based communication in space. When two particles are entangled, space and distance seem to vanish between them. This challenges our understanding of what space is.